Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Spotify payment plan, account guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to spotify.com. Click login at the top right and sign in with the account that has your premium plan. If you usually log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, choose the same method here. After logging in, click your profile icon or name in the top right corner. Select Account from the menu to open your Spotify account page. Look for the section called Your Plan on the account overview screen. Click Manage Plan to see your current subscription options. Scroll to review the available plans like Individual, Duo, Family, or Student if offered to you. Choose the plan you want by clicking Select or Get Started under that plan. If Spotify asks you to confirm your region or currency, check that it matches your location. Review the plan price and billing frequency shown on the screen. Click Continue to move to the payment and confirmation steps. If you are switching to a different plan tier, read any notes about when the change will take effect. When you see the payment section, choose your preferred payment method if options are available. To update your card, click Update Payment Details or change payment method. Enter the new card number, expiration date, and security code carefully. Type the billing name and billing address exactly as your bank has it. Double-check for typing mistakes because a single wrong digit can cause payment failure. Click Save or Update to store the new payment information. If your bank requires verification, complete the 3D Secure or SMS confirmation step. Return to the Your Plan area and confirm the new plan name is displayed correctly. Check the next billing date line to understand when Spotify will charge you again. If you are managing a family or duo plan, open plan settings to verify member rules and addresses. If Spotify is billed through Apple, Google Play, or another partner, follow the on iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, tap Subscriptions, and select Spotify to change the plan. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and select Spotify. If you do not see Manage Plan, try switching to the desktop version of the site or use another browser. If a change fails, check your bank balance, card limits, and whether international online payments are allowed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.